And just what are you doing?
I'm taking off this piece of junk shifter here because I want to put in my skull
Piece of junk what?
Piece of junk shifter.
What's wrong with my shifter?
I just want it to be more spunky.
Spunky?
Yes.
And what was wrong with the shifter that I put in there? I think it looks nice.
It does look nice, but it just needs a little more something to it.
So you mean to tell me you went and bought a shifter?
I did.
I'm not allowed to buy stuff?
You
Why are you allowed to buy stuff?
You can.
Oh.
But listen.
Let me guess. You want me to help you install it too?
Yes.
No, forget it.
Well, guys, I guess I got to figure this out on my own. No, he's coming back.
Lucky, but don't be yelling at me next time I get something.
Well, listen.
What?
Remember your inventory came in?
Yeah, my inventory came in and you tried to steal from it.
I did.
That's why you don't work for me, because I can't have employees that steal.
I couldn't help it. I seen it and I said, could I please have it?
Couldn't help it.
I couldn't because I really liked it.
Well, let's install this freaking thing. It better look cool. That's all I got to tell you.
Well, it will look cool.
It better.
It will. I promise.
Go ahead and pull that off of there.
Hold on. There we go.
Now I got to pull that off of there. Hold on.
Okay.
So this is real easy to get off here. We just got to turn it off with a pair of pliers because it don't come off with the shifter. That's all.
So it's not that much, huh?
No. Now what am I going to put this shifter on? I can't sell it.
I don't know. We'll have to find something to put it on.
Maybe I'll give it away.
You can give it away too. That's a good.
If anybody wants this shifter, comment down below on this video and you'll pick a winner because this is going on your channel.
Okay.
How's that?
That sounds good.
Can't sell it.
We'll send it to them.
Okay. All right.
Uh-oh.
Let's see about this.
See how fancy this shifter is.
See about this new shifter.
Yes.
You went and you got.
I couldn't help it. You guys will really like it. I know I will.
You definitely could have helped it.
Ooh, there's little pieces in there too.
There's little screws in there.
Yeah, what do you got to do with those?
Well, we got to put this on.
That's so it attached to it, huh?
Yeah. So to put this shifter on, we just got to put in these long Allen screws. It comes with a long and short. We need the long ones. And guess what?
What?
I have this color on my website along with other colors.
Yeah, so they can go to www.rngperformance.net.
And they can get one of your fancy shifters.
Yes, they can get one, and they're in different colors, so.
What way do you want that skull?
I don't care. I think that looks good there, huh?
Right there, that fit good in the hand, I think.
Yeah, I think so too.
It's your machine, so it's got to fit good for you.
Oh yeah, that's good right there. Yep.
Okay, so.
Looks good right there.
We just tighten her up. It's easy to put on.
Oh, he's sweet looking.
Yeah.
Bandit needed a skull.
So you say.
That's one of my reasonings.
So you say he needed a skull.
He did.
Didn't like my shifter.
I liked the shifter. It just needed some character to it.
Oh, okay. Well,
like I said, spunkiness to it.
That color skull matches this rig.
Oh,
there.
it does. Perfect, huh?
Yeah, perfect.
Yes, I love it.
You'd have never knew about it had I not ordered some.
And then you showed me. So that was your mistake too.
Yeah, blame it on me.
It was your fault. You showed me.
It was my fault. It's always the guy's fault. So when you just talk your wife into one for your machine, that way you can say it was just your fault. You take the blame and you get the shifter.
Look how cool that looks.
Since I took the blame.
Thank you for installing it. I love it.
You're very welcome, Miss. You owe me for a ride.
Okay.
And they're going to have to comment and see
Yeah.
Who wants that one? We'll give it away.
Okay.
We'll give it away. It's got 0 miles on it.
No, it's got about 2.
Oh yeah, we took it
Yeah,
down the block.
to your dad's shop, so.
To my dad's shop. So it's got 2 miles
Got
on
about 2 miles on that shifter.
Yeah.
I'm really pleased with it. Works like brand new. Your hand fits perfect on it. Have to show him some up close and pictures on it.
Yeah.
It's pretty nifty.
Are you happy?
I am very happy. Thank you very much.
Happy now?
Yes.
Oh.
He's got some spunk to him now.
He does look good on there.
He does.
Looks like a real good fit, not too big or nothing.
No. It's a perfect size, I think.
Can't beat that for sure.
No.
It's looking real good. And I had a couple of people ask for that steering wheel. So I got 1 or 2 of them on the way.
That's a must-have.
And I do have the adapter that they were asking
Yeah,
about
because you need that.
on the way. I only ordered 4 of them. And if I see sales, I'll order more.
So are you getting different colored ones?
I have a ton of different steering wheels.
Oh, cool. Okay.
Coming on the way.
Hey, there you guys
It will
go.
fit. CFMOTO.
Good.
Yes. So you can get that on my website.
Yes.
If you want to support your girl Laura and her $48,000 side-by-side build, I don't know how much it really costs, but it costs more
With all
than
the
I have.
stuff that you put in there.
Oh, and it's not done. We
No.
still got to pick up the front bumper. We still got to pick up the rear
The headache rack,
headache
right?
rack. Yep.
And we're getting little stickers on the back here too.
Those are done. I just got to
Those
get
are
them.
done?
They're
Okay.
done. I just got to get them.
Yes.
Yep.
We got stickers coming for it. And it's going to say, should I say what it says?
Yeah.
It's going to say #bandit on it.
Yep. Says #bandit. We got 'em
Yep,
cut
so
out.
he'll have his name on here.
That's right.
It'll be perfect.
Yep.
We got to just get these.
Those will be done when the headache rack gets here.
Okay, you're waiting on that.
I'm waiting on the headache rack.
Okay.
So I can finish wiring.
Okay.
So it looks good to me.
It does. I love it. Thank you guys for watching, and I want to thank you guys again for subscribing, liking my channel, and even YouTube too. Thank you. I guess this is it. We'll see you on the next one.